If you're working on a new build or major renovation, the best time to bring us in is when your architectural concept designs are complete. And when working with an architect that doesn't have a lot of experience designing churches, sooner we can get involved, the better. It's best to bring us in when it's still just pixels on a screen, early enough to make changes long before the construction process begins. Our team supports the design and construction of 20 or more church buildings every year. So we know church buildings. This means we can help guide and advocate for you from the start. Our construction experience provides you with the insight on how to improve the approach to the building. For example, shaping the room to improve intelligibility and mitigate the cost of acoustic treatments. Properly designing front of house locations that ensure volunteers are successful in supporting the service. How to approach structural and conduit paths can make or break the budget and the success of your project. If you're not sure whether it's time or not yet, give us a call. We'll help you figure out the right time and make sure that nothing gets missed.